Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today it's about testing this cordless drill model PBSA 12B1, and I'm going to test it. I will drill an iron and a wood and we'll see how it goes and how it works, how much powerful it is. Let's see. This is the wood and this is a drill. We have second and second year, drilling mode 1 to 19, and let's see how it goes. This is a very hard wood. You see the smoke. Yeah, he has the power to give. Oh, it's drilling very good. For me, it's very nice. He has some power here. Well, next we can drill the iron. Okay, I change that. Let's start. See how it goes. Okay, that was nice. Very good. It's working. It's 2 millimeter sorry, of an iron. And now let's see how he's doing with his lovely screws. Well, we can take this off and try it. Very convenient. Okay, installing this bit. It fits perfectly. Let's try it. First year. Okay, powerful. This is smaller. This is a very rough wood. Sorry. Not so good. Let's change that. Okay, let's try again. Oh, that was far enough. Let's try on 2. Yeah, he has power. Very nice. Ooh. Let's take it out to see how big was the screw. Ooh. Okay, straight here. Okay, that was nice. Oh, it's getting hot. Whew. I'll try this, okay. Wow. Well, this wood is very powerful. Well guys, that was all. I'm not going to try this screw because it's too big for this wood. I think you get the idea how powerful is this cordless drill. I think for 34-35 euros making very good job. For me, thumbs up. You can buy it. 12-volt battery, 2 ampere hours, and you can take out this chock and use it like that. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss my videos because I'm buying this product, I'm testing that you don't have to buy it, and I'm doing this for you. Thank you very much. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.